What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how to get GTA 5 for free, and this is available for every single platform. Now, this game isn't exactly expensive anymore, and there is of course GTA 6 in the process. So this game is pretty cheap, but still I'm going to show you how to get a digital copy of GTA 5 for completely free. So just follow these instructions and enjoy, guys. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, this is a tutorial going to be showing you how to get GTA 5 for free on every single platform. So this is available on PlayStation, Xbox, PC. So let's get into the tutorial. You need to use your mobile phone. So you can see I've got my iPhone. I've opened up the internet. So just use your mobile for this, guys. It's very important you do that. And go to this website, guys, www.hotshotcodes.com. So head on over to Hotshot Codes, guys. This website is absolutely awesome. They have a few different pages ranging from game codes to sort of coupon codes. So just scroll down there, scroll down this website until you find the GTA 5 digital game code. So click on that, and you can see this has been pretty highly rated by thousands of people. Now, you got a couple of different, well, a few different selections. PlayStation, so free GTA 5 digital game code for all PlayStation consoles, Xbox, or PC. So I'm not going to run through the entire process because these coupons are limited and I've already done this. But basically, guys, what you're going to need to do is click on show game code for your platform of choice. And you can see you need to unlock your digital game code. Now, the reason you need to do this, guys, is of course GTA 5's quite expensive. Well, it's not that expensive, but it does cost money. So this prevents people from stealing all of the codes on Hotshot Codes. So you need to basically verify yourself as a real person and unlock your game code. So what you're going to need to do, guys, is tap unlock now. And once you've done that, there's going to be a new screen and it's going to tell you exactly how to get your game code. Sorry, guys, got a bit of a cough. It's going to tell you how to get your game code. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to verify yourself as a real person by playing a couple of these like free games or just answering questions in questionnaires. It's a bit annoying, but yeah, that's how you verify yourself. And once you've done that, your code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into numbers and characters, and you can go ahead and redeem it on your platform, and it's going to download GTA 5 for free. So that is how you do it, guys. Head on over to hotshotcodes.com, search for the GTA 5 page. Once you get the game, come back to the video, smash the like button. You can also rate it on Hotshot Codes, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.